Day 4! And I'm still sick. We woke up for sunrise this morning, shot some photos at like this little lookout thing. And now we just arrived at these gates. Mornings here in northern Bali are actually kind of cold. I'm in like whatever you call these long johns and a sweater. When we're in central Bali, it's really hot all day long. And we went an hour and a half north, and now it's so cold at night. I don't get it, but look at those gates. So I'm just gonna run down this little road thing and get some pretty sweet footage, I think. As soon as we took out the drone, put her up, started to get ready to shoot, a bunch of kids on the motorcycle bikes came and parked like right in the front of the gates. You know how I got them to move? For one photo, the little kids moved, but they made me do one horrible thing. This. Are on the trek to
Branyumala Twin Waterfalls. Wow, that picture just makes it look intense.
I've been away and hard. Yeah, I've been just for you to answer. Yeah, I've been slightly available. Yet when I call you, you don't pick up the phone. I've been calling.
first of 4 waterfalls at the secret garden. We get a little tour guide, which includes free snacks. I'm already getting yelled at for being too slow. How many gods do you pray to?
In Bali, one god, many names.
Oh, okay.
Just one god, many names. Shiva, Brahma, Vishnu, Ganesha. Just one god.
Why does he have so many names?
Many jobs. Yeah, many names. It's mid water, mid tree, many.
Right.
Many jobs. Welcome to Waterfall Aleng-Aleng.
Thank you.
I give 35 meters, sir.
Here comes Jill down the water slide. Boom!
What's up, you guys? We are at Secret Garden. We just did 2 water slides, 3 cliff jumps. Now at the base to take some photos, do a vlogging, and just to chill. On one of the jumps, I got a little scared. Put my foot out. Ow! Smacked it right on the water. It hurts.
Six and a half hours later.
And Simon just patiently waits for us all day. Hey, kitty. Ready to go? For snacks, we've been mostly buying the chocolates, which has been lots of fun trying them all. But we're getting a little tired of junk food.
You are.
Yeah. So we went to the market and picked up some cool snacks.
Always with the goopy rice things.
Kind of delicious.
They're okay.
They call them cakes.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell is in this. I'm scared, so here you go.
Tastes like rice. Mm-hmm.
Good?
I think so.
Not bad.
So much better than the ones back home. Oh! So at our last place, we ran into these lovely two, Rachel and Danielle. Thank you. We're staying here tonight at, what is this place called? Ting Bali Adventure Place Thank you, Max. And tomorrow we will be trekking Mount Batur. Please focus, please focus, please focus. Yeah.